relatives and cousins. Today is Monday, January 12th, 2026, and it's getting into the full weeks of trading the markets and making money as we go. Now, it's always a good feeling to be able to start off on a Monday with a nice, positive cash flow. In other words, making money in the markets. So I'm going to show you briefly what I was looking at this morning when the market or just before the market opened. In this gray area that I'm pointing to right here, down here, I'm on a 30-minute chart. Let me circle that for you. Remember, a 30-minute chart means that each one of these candles is 30 minutes in length. So I'm looking at this market, and just before the market opened, this is where the market was trading. So I drew in these dotted blue lines, a resistance and support. And I said to myself, if the market goes up, I'm getting in on calls. If the market goes down, I'm possibly getting in on puts. Now, the market opened at 8:30 Central Time for me. And this was the first 30-minute candle, this green candle that I'm pointing to right there. This green candle was 30 minutes. Now, actually, it jumped up and surprised me too quick, and I did not get in on this 30-minute candle. So I missed this whole run. So now 8:30 to 9 o'clock candle is done. From 9 o'clock to 9:30, this little pink candle that I'm pointing to was the next 30 minutes. So as you can see, for me, I had no trade. It didn't go higher and it didn't go any lower. And I was thinking about calls, but there was just no opportunity to get in at this point. The next candle was 9:30 to 10 o'clock. Still, it didn't really do anything. Not enough for me to take a trade. But then at 10 o'clock, this was the candle, and it started to break higher than the previous two candles. So now I'm considering taking a call. But where do you get in? If I was just looking at this 30-minute chart, it's tough to figure out, should I just press buy or should I just get in right here? So what I do and what I did was go up to my 2-minute chart right here. And this is the same time period, but just looking at it from another perspective. So now I'm looking at it on a 2-minute chart and I could see that rise. So this is where I took my trade right here at 10:10 a.m. And I wrote it, let me circle it, all the way up to this little cross, this little doji candle. So right here, when I saw that doji candle, that's usually an indication that something may change. And I decided to get out and take my profits. So from 10:10 to 10:19, that's 9 minutes, I made $18 per contract. Now, I don't want you guys to think to yourselves, $18 is nothing, but $18 is a lot. If you're just sitting in your house, wearing whatever you wear when you're in your house, drinking a cup of coffee and or whatever you drink in the mornings, and just watching the market so that you can make money. So also remember that it depends on the number of contracts that you're trading. So if you had traded 10 contracts, that's $180 in 9 minutes. If you were trading 20 contracts, that is $360 in 9 minutes. So the whole key to this is learning how to trade, learning what to look for, getting into the market when you see an opportunity and getting out. So I always have my 2-minute chart up here. That gives me an indication of where to get in. I have a line chart over here, as you're looking at, this is a line chart. It's also 2 minutes, but I can see the ups and downs and the swings a lot better with this line chart. So I have my line chart on the right. I have my candlestick chart, 2 minutes on the left, and I'm looking down here at my 30-minute chart as to when I should possibly get into the market. Now, tomorrow is Tuesday, and I will not know, and we don't know what's going to happen overnight in this area. This area, anything could happen. So tomorrow morning, I will start again. The market could go up to this dotted yellow line because of the resistance from this candle that dropped over the weekend. So it could go up to resistance and drop. In that particular case, I'm prepared to take a put. If it goes up and continues higher again, then I'm going to be prepared to take a call. So the market is there waiting for you. You have opportunities. If you learn how to do this, you can share with your friends, your relatives, your cousins, your sons, your daughters, your grandkids, so that they have opportunities for the rest of their life. So I hope this little video has been helpful. You can see my thinking for Monday, and now we'll be looking to Tuesday to see what happens tomorrow. So thanks again for watching. Please like, share, and comment, and tell your friends and relatives to learn how to trade and learn how to make money in the markets. Take care, and I will talk to you soon.